In Johannesburg, South Africa, journalists covering the G20 Leaders Summit were caught off guard by a sudden hailstorm on Saturday, November 22, 2025. The summit, themed Solidarity, Equality, and Sustainability, is the first ever held on the African continent. President Cyril Ramaphosa opened the talks by emphasizing South Africa's role in promoting global cooperation and addressing challenges from trade and development to energy and climate. Delegates will also focus on debt relief for low-income countries, a key barrier to inclusive growth. Despite the harsh weather, high-level discussions continued as planned, demonstrating the resilience of the global community.